to Gwalia today. We'll check out the old mine site and ghost town out this way.
Ignore the minty snake on the front. That's a bit of entertainment to keep the kids quiet while we're driving, so yeah.
Asta's the reigning champion at the moment, aren't you, Dal?
Yes, and because I also had the little tiny, this tiny.
The smallest sucked on Minty.
Sounds
It
gross.
was about that.
Tiny little Minty. So there's a museum here at the old Gwalia mine as well. And all the little houses that were basically everyone just packed up and left, and it's like a little ghost town. So we'll go have a look at that. And there's a little cafe that you can also check out that overlooks the old mine. So we'll just go have a little look all through there and see what we can find.
Look how big it
Might be
is.
able to see it from the lookout over there.
That old train.
There's a big old train.
And look how big that is. Can we go on it, Mummy?
Pretty cool.
Can we go on it, Mummy?
We can go have a look at it.
It will break. Oh. Oh, coming down. We saw something happen.
I was going to say, was that a big blast or something, Asta? No, it was somebody dumped something.
Yeah, so that truck, those two trucks down there dumped something.
Ah.
What's that?
Just stay.
So it is an operational mine. There you go. Wasn't operational last time we were here about 10 years ago. Now they are operating.
Oh my god! Now I can see the bottom.
Wow, look at that. Now you can see right down in there.
That's the holy Zoli. Now I'm gonna take a photo of this. How do you get down there?
Over the other
With
side.
that car.
Over the other side, buddy. Look. See the ramp goes all the way up to where that all those workshops and everything over there.
How the car went down there?
Yeah.
Oh no, I dropped my phone.
Mining. Keeping WA alive.
Hey, go. I thought that Mama, you have to drop things down there. They'll never come back.
No, you can't drop things down there, buddy.
Why? Is that
Because you're not allowed to.
Is that them?
Here's an old light vehicle shed.
That's so big.
Look at this old...
That's so tight.
Do you know what that is, Ari?
It's a cement mixer.
It is. It's an old cement mixer. You have to hold the handle and you'd have to turn the cement mixer around yourself.
Did I touch it?
No, it's too old. It might break if you touch it. Lots of old machinery.
What is it called? Mom, what is this?
It's the train from the old wood line. Pretty cool.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Lots of old photos of the history.
Wait. Gotta see that.
An old woodline engine. The old winder shed.
Go away.
What did they do in here, Daddy?
Go away.
This is where they would wind.
Go away.
Runs the cable for the mine shaft.
So the trolley can get down to the bottom of the shaft?
Yeah, that's it.
largest steam winder in Australia. It's pretty cool. Right at the top of the museum there's Hoover House, which is a lovely old cottage that was designed back in the, I think, early 1800s, no, late 1800s by Herbert Hoover. It's been restored over the years and used for lots of different purposes, but today it's got a little cafe in there and it's a little bed and breakfast where you can actually stay for the night. So they provide accommodation here, and it looks over the mine. So it was used as the mine manager's residence originally, and now it's been turned into this really cute little bed and breakfast that you can actually stay at. So the cafe just is up here and it overlooks the mine. Lovely big grassed areas. They do functions and things up here, so you can come up and have weddings and parties and all sorts of stuff if you're that way inclined. Right over the mine.
You passed the line.
Oh, there's a lot.
There's an old miner standing there.
Here goes.
And finished this included yet.
Hello.
Ooh, like the old
Can we sit here? Yeah.
brickwork and everything in here. This is cool. down this end of the museum, there's people's stories of their contribution and what they did to help with Gwalia, whether it be to do with the mining or preserving of the area. It's a really good tribute to all those that put in so much effort to keep places like this going. It's great. I enjoyed this.
Now, miners dongers. Thankfully they've stepped up their game a little since then. Not much of it.
Whoever's here, they've got to pack up their shoes.
Oh no. Left their shoes behind. What do you reckon of these houses, guys?
They're quite old, and if you're in here, you probably fall through your bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're heavy.
Imagine living here.
It would be hard. There's nothing to eat.
Nothing to eat? Well, I'm sure they ate. But they wouldn't have any of the luxuries that we've got today, eh?
Yeah. What is that?
TVs, fridges, microwaves.
Wow, that iron board is wooden.
Hmm.
Whoa, look how big that bed is. It's like a queen size.
Double-sized bed. Must be a ritzy one here. Very cool.
How is it a rich
It's really, as in, cause it's luxury because it's got a double bed.
one?
It's very cool. There's a society of people that actually restored all these things, believe it or not. But they restored them to look old, so they've done a really good job.
Yeah.
And they've made it so it's watertight. All the roofs have been done and things like that. So it's very, it's definitely very cool that they've done that to keep the history alive in this place.
Look at the shower.
The old pots and pans and things like that still laying around.
And is it?
Yeah, that's right. So that is a shower, isn't it? Good work. Old school shower. Pull the handle, out she comes.
Pretty cool.
All right, to the next one.
Oh my gosh. I don't. Now come look in here.
What's in there, buddy?
Not really cool stuff.
Oh, a little rocking horse.
And in the old bed.
Yeah. All right, we found the local jail. Come on, guys, time to go into jail.
In you go,
All
Ari.
right, in you go.
No! That was the door.
Close the door. There we go.
Mom, close that too.
G'day, guys. Are you gonna be naughty again?
Dad,
gonna be
you
naughty
don't
again?
have any kids now.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm breaking out of jail. Bye bye.
So this house is for midgets.
For midgets.
Makes you actually feel like you're a decent height in here. This is a very sad sight to see. A pub with no beer. All closed up. Would have been good to have a beer here, but anyway. No, we're not allowed in there anymore, mate. It's been shut down. Signs on there saying that there's holes opening up underneath, so whether it's subsiding due to the mining, but would have been a nice little pub inside.
Privately owned, I think I read, so you can't go in and you just have to view from the road.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Bigger than Dad's wheelbarrow anyway, eh? Oh yeah, it's massive. Here we go. Yep, lots of water in it.
Is this the mine site, Mum?
Yeah, I think it's a quarry, but it could be a mine site. I don't know, I can't remember. I'll have to check it out. But